What a beautiful indicator. Brings tears to my eye. Brings a little tear to my eye. It's okay.
Happy hump day.
Happy hump day. The hump is on. The hump is on. Indeed. Hippopotamus. Hippopotamuses. So we'll start right out of the gate and say, we at Alpha Trading, we could give a shit less about the Fed. There, we said it. Or their announcements or anything has to do with them.
Watch your profanity.
Guys, let me stretch. Hold on. Yeah, man. Jesus.
For the stretch, man. Go for the stretch.
Starting out live this morning. That's right. We're getting it done. Fan-freaking-tastic. Looks like some things are down pre-market. Wait till we get these charts populating here in about 29 minutes. 29 minutes. Let's see. Let me take a peek at. Yeah, yesterday. Yeah. Text after text after text. People know it's 9 o'clock. They're allowed to text me. All right.
I had a quick question before you pivot to the SPY and stuff, the pre-market stuff. I just had a question about the Fed.
I'm not the one to ask.
No, I was just kind of curious though. Like, I mean, there's a general pattern though that whenever Powell gets done talking, the market does have like that quick little dump, right? It does. I mean, is there any way
It generally depends what's being said. Yeah.
When it'll drop though, like.
Yeah, low time frames, man. Low time frames with the VEPS.
Well, yeah, I mean, low time frames. You'll watch it in real time and watch it like as soon as I do start talking, like it'll like be down like 1% instantly, right?
Just look for the. Just make sure you look for that VEPS info because very often it can play. It can do the opposite, right? Like it doesn't always go the way the analysts predict. So the VEPS will tell you which way it's actually going to go, and then everybody will fill in the narrative after it moves, whichever way it moves. Oh, it was supposed to go down today because you said these words. The math said it was going down. And it went down.
I guess I'm talking like on like low time frame. Like you'll see it within maybe like a 5 minute, right? Like the market will shoot down as soon as I do done talking. As soon as he's done talking, that market will shoot down, but then it'll shoot right back up, right? So,
right, but that setup for the move down, you'll see beforehand. You'll see that setup beforehand, right? Because it's not. Again, whatever direction it moves, there's a setup for it before it moves.
You can just see it coming, right?
You can see it coming. You won't be surprised by it if you're reading the info correctly because it'll be like, yeah, well, that was pretty obvious. But everybody else will be like, huh? How did that happen? When there's like a move that was quote unquote unexpected to the average watcher, right?
I wonder.
So yeah, you'll see it happening beforehand, and you'll kind of have a feel for if you're reading the probabilities right. You'll know which way it's likely to go by the correlation and all that, volatility. And then when it happens, you'll hear you'll read 5 minutes later, all the early reporters will start filing their stories. The Fed did this because of that, and the price did that because of this. It'd be like, no, it's because the VEPS said that was going to happen, and you just filled in the blank with words.
I've learned very quickly from being here on Alpha Trading that the news is like after the fact, like they just try and make explanation for what happened.
100%.
Say what actually happened.
I think you even pointed out a couple weeks back, right? You're like, how does this square up? And you had like literally the same media outlet within a few minutes of each other reporting the opposite sides of the same story. Wasn't that you who posted that? Somebody did.
Yeah, that was me. Like,
yeah,
it doesn't make sense.
Just right? Literally, all they are advertising formats, advertising platforms with content around the ads. That's all media is, by definition. Right? They're just all in the business of selling soap, financial products, cars, mortgages, gold, whatever. They're in the business of selling ads to get ad response, to get revenue from the ad response, etc. They just put content around those, and they base their editorial line of thinking around the stories, based on whether or not they're a little objective, completely objective, not at all objective, and whether they have an affiliation one way or the other. But they're all into the big corporate media, the corporate media game. That's the whole thing. They all take big money from big corporations.
So what you're trying to say is that it's just an elaborate clickbait scheme, right?
Yes, it really is. That's what it has devolved to. It's a race to the bottom in terms of ad dollars. That's literally what they are, and that's fine. And they're just there to. It's not even that they intentionally misinform or disinform for the purpose of misinforming or disinforming. If they do it for any purpose, kind of on purpose, it's because they want to increase their engagement rate, their ad click rate, their revenue from ads, etc. That's the purpose of the information they produce. That's the whole game. So that's why, and again, it's in the name, reporter, somebody who carries again. Well, first of all, if you're carrying information from someplace, you're already not the source of the information. If you're carrying it again, it means you're at least a second layer. And by the time it gets to the editor, that's the third layer. By the time it gets to outside production, we're talking at least 4 or 5 levels deep from the source. So it's already old news before anybody in the public has heard about it.
Good point.
I think what I want to do today is I just want to watch to wait till he's done talking and just watch the volatility, because I think what may happen is like when he starts talking, the volatility just turns off naturally, right? So because the market's on the high side, right, the buy pressures are there, so it's like the sell-off, right? So the volatility just drops instantly. Then there's quick sell-off, and then but volatility comes right back in because people are like, oh, it dropped, let me buy, right? So I think that's my hypothesis.
Most people aren't watching the volatility. Only professionals are watching that, and people like us. Most people don't really know what the heck volatility even is.
Yeah.
I think the regular Joe, he's just watching. Oh, this is a good buy because the market.
Yeah, yeah. They think volume. They think volume is volatility. They think price action is volatility. They don't even understand what volatility is, which is the standard deviation of returns. That's volatility, right?
Good man.
Good question, man. Good question.
Yeah. What time does this little man speak today? I don't even know.
I forgot. Yeah, it's
So like 10?
Check the calendar.
10:30 or something? Or is it later? Is it 2?
I think it's 2. I think.
Yeah.
I think it's usually like they'll do like a meeting, like.
Oh yeah, meeting.
Yeah, it's supposed to be 2 p.m. Eastern time today, but then he has a press conference at 2:30. So they make the decision at 2 in theory, and then they have a press conference at 2:30.
Because my problem with that is just like the market says they've already priced it, hey, rates are going to increase. But then when they get confirmation that, the rates increase, the market does, on the very low time frames, does some really wonky stuff. It's like, you already knew this, right? And now you're just like, it's going crazy.
It's priced in whether it moves up, down, or sideways. There's
Yeah, exactly.
they haven't ignored the what if question. There's only 3 directions it can go. So all 3 have been considered, and all 3 will be the natural reaction to whatever the VEPS is doing.
Yeah.
And
I'm just trying to make logical sense of it all. That's all. Oh. That's all I'm trying to do.
Yeah, sure. Oh, you're trying to see what exactly happens when the guy speaks, and does the VEPS actually give you leading information on it? Watch on the low time frames. You definitely see it first on the VEPS.
I live on the low time frames.
Yeah, I know. I don't even have to tell you that. You're like the 15-second guy. So.
Oh, this is nice.
I used to be a 1-second guy, but then you realize the 1 second is too fast and you don't get context on like what's a big
You're not a bot. Ultimately, if you're an HFT bot and you're moving millions of lots or whatever, massive millions of orders per second, okay, 1 second is a big time frame even. But as a human being,
humans,
I think you're right. The 1 second's a bit too low for most of us. Mere mortals.
The humans. Nice. A little random walk. Closing on a little random walk on a 15-minute. Randomly walking all over these news watchers here shortly. That's another great thing too, is markets in a random walk most of the time. People are trying to watch the news to trade. That right there is kind of smack. Stop. But, and the biggest problem is, so a good example. If traditional technical analysis was as good as all these little TA gurus say it is, people wouldn't watch the news. We don't watch the news because we got leading information. Period. The end. That's why I've talked to other people before, and they are just hung up on it, man. Hung up on the interest rates, hung up on what Powell's going to say, and it's like, well, you're missing the point. You're missing the whole point about volatility trading. But at the same time, they don't want to get into it because it's too much work. Oh, well, I've been doing this way for this long, and I really don't want to make the change, and I've done pretty well. And pretty well to them is tiny gains. Tiny gains. I'm not looking for tiny gains, right? I'm looking for consistent gains over a period of time, filling those small buckets where, yeah, bingo. Get the goods, man. Get the goods. You can see on the 15-minute where data set ended up right at the reverse Fisher. Right at the reverse Fisher. Very interesting, too. Let me see here. Now, pre-market right at the bottom of the power mean band. Right at the bottom of the power. Blow this up real quick. What is that price? 454. So on the 15-minute, you're outside. You're to the downside of the entire power mean band. You're dropping below the 99 log MA. Look up here on the 33-minute. It was right at reverse wave trend or reverse Fisher. Pretty sure. Let's let this populate. Damn, this coffee's hot. Woo! Hot. Come on, baby. Come on. We got no time for this. Populate, you little monkey. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, and there was the bear div on the 33-minute, right? As soon as it crosses zero mean, right at the end of the day, had 33-minute candles to the downside. Yep, and Z-score was down. Z-score even had bear div, right? Both did. Interesting. So everything's down. Everything was down on the close on the 33. It's a no-brainer. And actually yesterday, damn, what could I got this for? I was looking at 455 puts going into the close yesterday for today's expiration. And yeah, man, it would have worked out really well. Probably been closing right at the open here. But I decided against it. Decided against it. So slowly, let's see, we're right at the reverse Fisher. Little purple dotted line right there. This is really going in here in the next 17 minutes. Interested to see where this thing does open up. On this VRE, man. Yesterday's bottom side of the 68.3. Yeah, I said I was going to give a little explanation because a couple things happened right at the market open yesterday. Number one, gap down. Where did gap down to? Right to the center of the daily range, and it pumped off of it. Closed the first 15-minute candle back inside the 68.3 Laplace distribution range, right? Right when that was happening, look what happened to Dixie. Whoop, bring it in right here. Okay, so here was the 9 o'clock candle, right? And this is people that don't understand the VEPS. I'm sure they were like, oh, markets are going to dump. Look, I know where these levels are at. Not silly. So at 9, Dixie sent a 15-minute candle above the 68.3 Laplace distribution range. Here we go, right? 9:15 candle going up into the market open. You send a wick all the way to what? That's the first resistance level in the weekly volatility range. Here's the weekly down here. Here's the top side of the weekly. There's the first resistance level. So you reject there. Here's the market open, 9:30. Immediate 15-minute candle. So as SPY is picking it up from the pre-market dump, Dixie's dumping out back into the 68.3 Laplace, right? SPY pumped back up inside the 68.3 Laplace. So you got one dumping down from the top side back in, and SPY pumping up into it from the downside. It was a no-brainer. At that point, to me, and how easy was it to manage risk on this? Super easy, man. Super freaking easy. Let me show you why. So right here is where I was entering. I got those 455s for 23 cents. Now I'm managing risk at the bottom side of the 68.3. Say this 15-minute candle closes inside, closes back out to the downside of the 68.3 plus. I'm out of the trade. It's really easy. There was a couple times I was like, all right, let's see what happens here. Getting close, but man, it just picked it up all day. It's a good move. It was a good move, but that's what made my determination on what to do with that. There was some bull on the 33 and 45, I think, that was coming in from the close from yesterday. So it was kind of a no-brainer what was going to happen to me. But then again, man, dude, I got a lot of time on these charts. I've seen so much stuff happen. So, and when you're doing something like this, when you're pulling back up inside the 68.3 plus, it's so easy to manage your risk, right? And it's not like I'm immediately putting in stop losses. No, I am my stop loss. I tell people that all the time. They're like, oh, well, I got other stuff to do. And it's like, get out of here, man. Are you going to focus or what? When I'm in a trading session, that's what I'm doing. I might have something else going on screen, but I am not leaving my workstation. That's for damn sure, because these moves happen quick. And you fall back outside the 68.3 Laplace to the downside. We also had the date. It would have been tough. I would have got out of the trade, but it wouldn't have surprised me at all if it would have bounced right off the daily. That being said, it was just easy to manage the risk. All right. Bought 5 contracts. Easy day. Wasn't massive profits. But it was over 200. What was it? Don't even remember. I'll have to look. But speaking of that, let me get this account up.
If you look at the DXY,
Boom. Yep.
if you go to the much lower time frames, it rejected off that weekly at like 9:27.
Oh yeah.
Literally right before it opened. That wick, it was like 9:27.
Oh yeah. 100%, man. 100%. That's why same today. I was literally watching this last night. I was like, oh, here goes Dixie trying to get up on the top side of the new daily range. Not having it at all. Closed one 15-minute candle, 2 15-minute candles above. But this wick right here, to me, a little backfill on that last candle, I was like, oh yeah, this thing's coming down. And then it went back up, rejected off the center of the daily, and here we are. Here we are right here. So yeah, to be honest, man, especially with this Dixie, it's in the charts why this thing is down pre-market, right? Started that turn down before the market even closed yesterday. So yeah, it is a total no-brainer. Total no-brainer. That's why I'm watching this carefully. So now it's dropped below reverse Fisher. So here's the here is the reverse wave trend down here at about 454.18. 454.18. Let me see on the 45 where this thing's at. Because we know when you get outside the power mean bands, it likes to come down and it likes to hit up on that reverse wave trend. So this is what I'm doing. I'm seeing what time frames this thing pre-market's hitting the reverse wave trend. If there is any that it's right at it, things of that nature. Dixie's looking weak. Yeah, Dixie is weak. There's no doubt about it. Yeah, see, we're just right at the top side of the power mean band here. So it's a 33-minute and below, really. I think 4 hour. Let me see pre-market real quick. Let me see the indicator pop up. Come on, UPM. There it is. Yeah, we're just sitting right on, hiccups. Jesus. Right at the top side of the power mean band. Literally. Let me see. Right at the 9 log MA. That's where pre-market price is right now. 444 is a reverse wave trend on the 4 hour. I think it's going to go that low. Not today. It's like, well, why can you say that? Well, probabilities dictate. No. And you'll see when SPY opens, that's going to be way below 99.7 Laplace, all that. Let me see here. Let's look at these minis. Man, I got bit by a spider or something, man, on the leg. You gotta be kidding me. Little shits. Okay. So what are we doing here? There's that weekly. There's that weekly range. What's that? 45.68. That would be most awesome. That's what I'm kind of looking for. Where's SPYs? Yeah, same. Down here at about 452. God, boy, oh boy, oh boy. Make it real easy. Just get this thing down here. That'd be epic. Because I'm looking, if this thing does come back down here, try to gather up. I mean, obviously it's only going to be Wednesday. I mean, on Monday it got tested, right? Got literally gapped up right through it. Retest right there. Bam. Let's see here. First support level on the daily, kicked it up right before the close. Okay. 454. So we're literally pre-market. We're right at the bottom of the 68.3 from yesterday. Right at the 68.3. Okay, so copper pulled back. What, gold now it's gold's turn, huh? Up 0.17. Don't know about gold. Definitely hit both the targets I kind of called. The VEPS kind of called, not me. I'm just delivering the information. I'm the VEPS reporter. Oh, Zentap. I am just relaying what the VEPS are telling me. So yeah, now I'm excited. We got 8 minutes. Good. I'm almost fumbled up right through into the market open. That's what I like to do. Just ramble aimlessly. All right. Check gold real quick. Yeah. Right back to its weekly, huh? Gold was having some issues at that weekly range. It's up above it. This is right here. Bulls need to set up shop at about 66. Yeah, 66.72. That would be a good area. I mean, it's already, right, finding support on the top side of the 68.3 Laplace distribution range. And with these ranges, right, you just have to remember, right out of the gate, Laplace distribution, there's a 68.3% chance the data set closes in this range right here. And that's just Laplace distribution. It has a tight 68.3 range, whereas normal distribution, right, the old bell curve, right, when you were in school and you're like, why am I learning this? I'll never use this. Oh yeah. Yes, you will be. But a little wider, right? Almost twice the width. You got what? 76 to the top side, 54 to the bottom side, 22-point range there. Where here, it's only 61. Yeah, 7-point range on Laplace. Big difference. The second standard deviation normal distribution and the 95.4% Laplace distribution range, they're always really close together. But then Laplace distribution is going to have big fat tails, right? You can see it. Because usually the 99.7 Laplace is going to be by the fourth standard deviation normal distribution. And in normal distribution, that's a 0.9999% probability range. And so people in the beginning usually get confused and they immediately think, oh, so there's that much of a probability that the data set goes to that area? No. There's that much of a probability it doesn't get outside of that area, not to go to it. And when we get to those like 95.4 Laplace ranges, second standard deviation, that's when my ears start perking up. All right, that's where my ears start perking up on reversals. But you got to have it in the other charts, though. You can't just blindly trade distribution levels. Bad idea, especially with the volatility in these markets these days. You can do whatever they want, man. Let me see something. Yeah, Dixie's still pulling out a little bit. It's good. We got 6 minutes. What you doing, girl? What you doing? You want out again? It should be twice already. Well, we got some hail last night. Good Lord. It was insane. Woke me up just pounding the roof. Bah, 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 bah. Nice little 2 a.m. thunderstorm. No tornadoes, though. Good. No tornadoes. 36. All right. Kind of like this. I'll tell you what, man. It's opening up. These bears will push it down below the new daily range. Market literally closed right about where the daily is going to be. Let's see. Let's see here. All the volatility is pretty much to the top side. It's going to pull it up. But right at the end of the day, let's see. I'm saying like 455.5, man. It's probably going to be the new daily. So this thing's going to be at least a point below on the open, probably. If something happens here in the next 5 minutes. But you're going to have a lot of people, right? They're just sitting around waiting. I'm not waiting. I mean, I want to see where this new daily range is, which I've pretty got a nice beat on it. But I want to see where the 68.3 Laplace distribution ranges are going to be at. Probably going to freaking open up below them. It's going to be close, man. Let me see here. Yeah, it's definitely going to open up below them. So then what? So you open up below, you're going to want to see how the data set. Am I going to immediately get in a position if this thing opens up below the 68.3? Absolutely not. I want to see some action around it. I want to see how the data set's reacting. And then, do my workflow, man. Do my workflow, start looking for entries. And this is the main reason. Like on my VRE chart, it's solid on a 15-minute time frame. Now, if I get into a quick little scalp, I will put this down. Say I get in on the 3-minute time frame. That's where I see my entry. I'll put this on the 3-minute while I'm doing that little scalp because I want to see where these 3-minute candles are hitting. I'm using that 15-minute to make sure I'm getting good in, or making sure that I'm solid with these distribution levels, volatility ranges. And it's not going to throw a fake out on me. That's what's great about the VEPS. When the volatility takes hold, yeah, man, you're going to get a great read. Great read. We got a pretty big expected move pre-market here. It's like plus or minus 3.5. Yep, 3.4. Huh. That means, right, from where the data set is, or right now, you got a 3.4 point move either direction. 3.4 move either direction. So this is going to immediately drop down from yesterday's close about a point. Dixie. Yeah. VIX was roaring too at the end of the day, wasn't it, man? Really picked up 2.24% right at the end of the day. Let's see something here. Let's go over to SPY. Yeah, and after this market open, we'll go over to Bitcoin, check Bitcoin out. Traditional. Where the hell was I going? SPY. Let me see something here. Let's throw this on the 15. Turn off the little higher length. Move this baby down a little. Oh, look how quick that's dragging. Oh, yeah. Trading View. What, have you been listening? Get some more servers or something? This thing's moving fast. Okay. Oh, boy. I mean, look at the 15-minute, man. I mean, this thing is below 3 SD bands. Now, on the market open, it's going to be right about at it, probably. Because these bands will blow up here. Yeah, I know. Good Lord. Hold on. Get this off here. Override continuous market protection. Thank you very much. Okay, let's see. And literally right at the end of the day on the 15-minute. I mean, that thing dropped right to the 30 power mean, pretty much. 95.4 Laplace. 95.4 Laplace on the last 15-minute candle. Good move. First opened up, ran it up to the top side of the 68.3, and then whoop, right down. That's good. Now, the 33-minute where I was seeing that bear div coming in. Let's see where it is over here. Time is it? 9:29. Seems about ready to rock. Oh, dropped below, huh? You're right down here by the 3 SD band. Yeah, this it's going to determine everything where this opens in the Laplace distribution range for me. You see this 4-hour, man. It's this thing at the top or the bottom. Yeah, I'm telling you, man. This thing's still got some reversion to do. What are we talking about up here? 459. 459, so 20 cents right out of the gate. 20 cents right out of the gate. Yeah, way below, man. Way below. This thing's probably going to shoot up here real quick. 455s. Yeah, they're $1.32. They're messing around. I'm telling you, though, man. What's the top side? What's the top side of that Laplace distribution range? What do we got here? 457, huh? Yeah, we got a little gap here we got to deal with. See what's going on. Man, is that just like, oh my 9-cent range, 9-cent range. And look, the daily, that tight range is right on the inside there, right on the inside. Now, so what's that telling you? Right? We're gonna have some volatility day. We're gonna have some trend today. Yeah, man, this is really tight. This is look at here was last week. What was that? Thursday. Look how tight the range was. Did it trend around? Hell yeah, it did. Hell yeah, it did. Let's see here. We got top side with Dixie doing the open. I'm telling you, man, this thing. I think this thing wants to push. What do we got here? It's a 457s. 459s. There's a 1 SD up here. Where's the first resistance level? Almost there. Almost at 457s. I'm thinking the 1 SD on the daily. Let me scale this down. There it is. Yep, 459. 459. Let's see here. So it's on the 4 hour. Okay, it's right on the 9 log MA. See this daily real quick. We just open. All right. Back to the 90. Oh. Yeah, this could be a run up. What the hell was that? Chopper. Flying low. Okay, back up on top of the 99. The 90-minute 9 log MA. That's actually good. You were outside the power mean band. You literally came down, tested the 9. Mean reverted. All right. Doesn't have to come to the 33. That's why we love the band. These are all power mean lengths. All power mean lengths. Come on, you. Pop it up, baby. Yeah, man. You got a lot of hidden. Got a lot of hidden bull. Bull hockey. Got a lot of hidden bull. Okay, so you're in between the 33. Found support on the 45-minute time frame, right on the 33. The 33 log MA and the 33 power mean. Yeah, right here, man. Pre-market, that thing gapped right down to it. What you doing? What you doing, bulls? What you gonna do? Do like all this hidden bull right here. Having an outlier to the downside. Obviously, there's a nice little pre-market move to the downside. Of course, you're gonna have a little outlier, and it's coming in from yesterday. Just continued. Yeah, that's nice. The 33s right there. I mean, if this thing plays out, you see this return oscillator turn up, and this first 45-minute candle closes. That's why we got to roll down through here. Let's see here. 33-minute. Yeah, man. Same here. Bunch of hidden. You can see it's correlated though to the downside. That's why that thing started moving. And right, all the bear div. But look, you got the Z score down here. It's past the 90% confidence interval. There's a 95. Everything's down right now. These are low time frames though. Let's see. 15-minute. Yep. Everything down. But you're down in the, like I said, you are down in these confidence intervals. Even the high length's almost there. Volatility done. Yeah. Down here on the 15. Got the 981, 2400 expanding negative. And here comes that volatility. Yeah, they're all, you can see the correlation just broke. I'm getting a little expansion on the low length too. Going to reject this. So here on the 15-minute, right? So what's that at? 455.08. 455.08 is the 15-minute reverse. 455.08. Yeah, it's pretty much. So the bottom side of the daily Laplace, or 68.3 Laplace, is pretty much 15-minute reverse wave trend. Get up in here. Let's see if we can close this first 15-minute candle. It back inside. If you do that though, You got this tight daily range. It's right there. Boom. Right there. Here, I'll put it on 1 minute. You see this tight little sucker. Boom. There she is. There she is. Bottom side is right on the bottom side of the 68.3 on the daily. Yeah, you can. I mean, we got a lot of support down here, man. Got a lot of support down here. Really close to the 1 SD normal distribution. You got the weekly range. It's right at that resistance level on the monthly. They flip support, and that is the which one is that? Give me a second here. Where is that monthly? Yep, there it is down there. Okay. Yep, it's the first. Nope, second. Nope, first. My bad. Flip it around a few more times. So first resistance level on the monthly that does flip support. Then we got that weekly range. Good times. Yeah, these bulls are going to have to push it up. They get up here above this daily and back up inside the 68 through Laplace. Probably no brainer. This thing's going to run. This thing will run right up in here. It looks like Dixie's kind of spilling out a bit too. This is why I like it on the 15-minute. I don't care what the 1 minute candles, the 3 minute candles, 6 minute candles, the 9 minute candles closing inside it. I want to see a 15. I want to see a 15-minute. That's what I'm looking for. Is that right? Okay. Let's see what it will give us. Dixie's below the daily. I don't know why I have a feeling. Let me throw this over here. I got a feeling. Yeah, I'm telling you, man, on this daily, you got a bunch. You got a bunch. Hidden bear divergence. And you are positively correlated here. It's the bottom side of the power mean band. 100.3. That'll give a little boost to the markets. This thing drops down there. Boosty. Total random walk. Starting to drop. The entropy's starting to drop. Heading towards trend. Definitely still random. And like I said, you definitely have hidden bear div on the daily time frame on the Dixie data set. Variance is positively correlated as it's finishing its contraction. And that's what variance does. Variance is a spread of data from the mean. From the mean of what? Obviously log returns, because price doesn't have a mean. This is where people get confused. Data sets are just following, right? Data sets are just following the returns. Got here. 4 hour. Come on, Dixie.
Interesting tidbit. Google opened up the day above its third standard deviation. Third standard deviation on the daily. Because it had that big pump last night from the earnings, and it's opened above third standard deviation.
Let me see here. Let's take a quick little peeky.
I mean, it's dumping now, but you identified that right at opening.
Let's see. Yeah, third. Almost got to. There's a 99.7 Laplace. Yeah, just pulled back, sent a wick down to the 4 hour 3 SD. Let's see here. Yeah, this thing is out of its mind right now. Where's a new daily? Literally gapped it up right from it. Tight daily range. That's for damn sure. Luck. Let's see what. Yeah, Microsoft to the downside. Right to the monthly. Right to that monthly range, man. Wick right to the bottom. This will be interesting to see what happens here with this monthly range. Microsoft drops. I don't know, man. I don't think. It's tough. That's why we got to be patient here. Be patient. See where this at least where this first 15-minute candle closes. We got 5 minutes left. Trying to pull back up. See if I can close this first 15 above 339, 36. Another point. Move up another point, Google. Although Google, they're spying on us, man. They're spying on us. Yeah, that's brutal. It's Google popped top side, Microsoft to the downside. A little wild yesterday. Post market, Microsoft was all over the place. All over the place. Sent a wick up to the R1 on the monthly and a wick to the bottom side. I'll just show you real quick. Swing.
Oh no!
Yeah, first right here, right, you get a wick right to the center. Thing pulls back up on top of that daily range and then rips it up to that R1. Got a little bit above it. But then, boom, right back down. Right to the bottom of the monthly. Right, found support down here, 95 for Laplace. Here we are, opening candle, right? Opening candle. Pretty much, yeah. Let's see here. Is that daily 68.3? God, boy, oh boy. There's the. Goodness gracious, man. There's a 68.3 up here. So we got the first standard deviation to the downside, sent a wick. So we got a wick to the 1SD down to the bottom of the monthly again. It's indeed. Let me see here. What's Tesla doing? Down 0.27. Yeah, post market yesterday. Here, I can turn that off now. There we go. Here comes Tesla. Here comes Tesla. Yeah, because it's not that big. Hold on there. Put this on a 1 minute real quick. You see where its daily range is. Yeah, there it is. A little wider. But you can see, right, it hasn't been tested. Heading up here right now. I mean, there's where it closed right there. Boom. Boom, boom. So we got 266.5, almost a couple points. About 1 3/4 points up to test this daily range. Let's see what else. Yeah, Netflix had a little rough go too, man. Jeez, look at Netflix. Netflix, wow, gap down from the center of the monthly. And you're below the bottom of the monthly. Oof, Netflix, huh? You bulls better wake up. You're gonna get wrecked. About Nvidia. Oh, nice. Nice. What then gapped up and just whoop right back down. Now you're below the center of the weekly. Center of the weekly. What is that on the monthly right here? Let's see which. Let's see what resistance level of the monthly. Probably the first. Yep, first. Okay. So right now, yeah, you got Nvidia. Here's the first resistance level on the monthly. Flip support, but you're rejecting off of the not only the daily but the center of the weekly. Wow. Meta, huh? You doing Meta? Same thing, man. Gee, many Christmas. Some gapped up early and gapped up from the daily range. I mean, this didn't even need to come back down. But yeah, I mean, you gapped up right to the center of the weekly. From the center of the daily, whoop, right to the center of the weekly. Pulled back hard, boom, boom, here we go. Let's see here. And that is the bottom of the weekly right here. Let's see if that can hold. Let's see if that can hold. The bulls are going to be right here, man. The bulls are going to be right here. If not, they got they got the daily range. Got the 4 hour 68.3, daily 68.3. And a lot of stuff here. Coming in hot. Yeah, man. Google's not having it. Google's like, I like it up here. I like it up here by the 3SD. Now remember, when it comes to the bell curve, right? Normal distribution. This is a 99.7% probability range. So what does that mean? It means there's a 99.7% chance that Google's daily candle doesn't close above 130.27. There you go. There is a small probability it can break it. There always is. There's always going to be small probabilities, even if you're at a 0.9999, right? All you need is a chance. All you need is a chance. You work at these probabilities long enough, you'll see. Especially when the volatility kicks in. These things can run wild, man. Especially in crypto. Jesus. We've seen BTC do things the data sets just shouldn't do. But they do it. BTC's the king. Literally. Nothing ever. These markets haven't seen anything like Bitcoin before. It's pretty powerful, man. Oh, wait till it starts ripping towards like $0.25 mil. That'll wake some people up. They said it was a scam. I could have bought it. I could have bought it like $15K. Fire your financial advisors. Learn the VEPS. It's insane. Never really made sense to me. Have somebody else tell me what to do with my money. I'm not into that, man. No way. I would rather be making those decisions. And I understand not everybody's going to get into this, right? Not everybody's going to get into it. But I sure am. The alpha traders sure are. Okay, SPY. Let me throw this back on a 15. Yeah. I mean, considering it's not a bad first 15-minute candle. This is going to pin. Now let's run this baby up. Let's see if we can close the second one up here. Let's just see. Because if it does, that's the thing. You get some rejections here. I said this daily range doesn't need tested. You gap down right through it. But you start throwing some wicks up into this area and the bulls just can't do anything with it. I mean, I'm telling you, man, this thing will dump out. You get up above, though. Whole nother story. Whole nother story. Because the top side of that 68.3 Laplace distribution range is going to be come to Papa. Come to Papa. Indeed. You got this weekly level right here, this resistance level, but yeah. Shouldn't be a problem with this tight daily. Should be able to roar right through it. I mean, now you've got the top side of the 4-hour 68.3, first resistance level on that tight daily range. I'm telling you right now, that'll offer more resistance than the distribution level, for sure. For sure, because it's a tight range. There's going to be a little bit more stiffer competition there. You get a wider range, they can melt right through those. We'll see. We'll see. Indeed. We got VIX up a little bit, of course. Intraday's up 0.5. Let me see something here. Let's go over here on some low time frames. Not on Dixie. Dixie, you shit coin. It's on the 4-hour too. Yeah, this baby's. See something. Yeah, there's just no hidden div. There's no bull div building at all on Dixie on the 4-hour. I'm just going the 90-minute. You below wave trend? Let's see. Let's just take a peek. Come on, ultimate power mean. The ultimate power mean. That's right. This is not your grandmother's super guppy. No. Super guppies lag bad. Okay. Dollar. Yeah, man, I'm telling you right now, I don't know. This dollar could get stuck right in here. Let's see if it can get above the 9 and the 33 log MA. If it does, I mean, you could see real quick about 1.5 points. Yeah, about 1.5 points up, top side of the power mean band. That's what's happening right now, right? You get down here by the 99 log MA, reverse wave trend down here, this thing's going to want to mean revert. That's exactly what's happening. I'm sure you go over to the RMLR, you're going to see the same stuff. That's what's great. All this works together. All of it works together. It's beautiful. Brings a tear to my eye. See this 45 real quick. Total random walk. Right when you got the bounce off that 2 SD band, when the entropy came out of trend to the downside, random walk, price action moving back up. The trend to the downside, at least the latter part, no, the real trend to the downside, and you're getting more action on the randomness to the top side. Gotta love Entropy. So 45 minutes, it's trying to pull up above this reverse wave trend right now. Considering what happened, I mean, you sent a wick into it a couple candles ago. Thing pulled back pretty hard. You got the 33 log MA up there. Like I'm saying, man, this thing could get stuck. This thing can get stuck in here for a while, which would be good for the markets. I'm not going to lie. Just let that thing get range bound. Just let it get range bound. And trust me, as I'm going through these time frames, I'm looking at the volatility. It's just, this is like when I'm looking for a signature, then boom. I mean, I see it immediately. I don't really have to talk about it. But then, I mean, we're getting deep in. I don't want people to get to like misinterpret what I'm talking about, especially bias wise. Yeah, see what the 33 is doing with the wave trend. So you got the 9 log MA down here, wave trend here. I mean, this thing is like range bound in here. That's good. Why don't you just stay down in the cellar? Stay down there. Let these markets have their way. See the 15. Trying. Yeah. First thing I see is, yeah. We've negatively correlated 981, right? Expanding. The other two are expanding, positively correlated. That's what we're getting this wick right here. 981 is pushing this baby down. Let me see here. And you got the 99 log MA right there. One more reason why this could definitely stay range bound. It's a coiled little snake there, man. These bears give up a little bit, especially down there in the 15, man. Especially down here on the 15. You got up above it here, and look what happened. A rip. That's exactly what I was about to say. It could rip right to the reverse fissure. Let's see. We got some hidden too, man. Just crossed the zero mean. But does it? The 99 log MA is a, let's just call it a little bitch. It's tough, man. It's tough. There's a reason why I use the lengths and everything I do. It just sets up well together. Real well. Having an outlier on the 15 too. Okay. Having a little outlier on the 15. It's at 454.1. But you can see, like, right now, nope, not even from the cross. Okay, that's good. So is there any divs building on the top side? No. Now there will be. You get up here, you get up and close a candle by the 99, you're going to immediately have some bear div, right? Because you're going to have a lower high on the returns oscillator, higher high on the data set. And anybody out there that's a little bit confused about divergence, study it for a while, man. Just study it for a while. Don't use oscillators like RSI, stochastics, things like that. Trust me, don't do it. You're using lagging information to try to find divergence in a random market. Not going to work, man. Not going to work. That's why there's a lot of YouTube jimmies out there that do have that right. They literally call out and say divergence is BS. It is with lagging indicators, 100%. If you have leading information, though, I'm telling you, man. I'm telling you. Cray. Yeah, stiff customer. Stiffy. SPY's trying to make its little move. Oh yeah? Let's go over here and check it out. See what he's talking about. We got up there 101.5. Yeah, 3 points. Oh, my bad. Not 3 points, 3/10. All right, let's see here. So it's on the 4 hour, though. Let me see this daily. What a mess. Jiminy Christmas. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. So you got Dixie up there on the 7, man. You're messing rejecting off of the pretty much 30 power mean. 2 SD band. Oh, goodness. 98.3. Where's the 30 length at? Okay, that's a little better. 100.4. 100.4. And that's like 1.2 point. You get tail of two worlds on the 4 hour and the daily. Considering the daily, let me turn off this low length. Where are we? 1 SD band on the 30 length, that ain't bad. Here's the thing though, right? Got the 30 power mean here. You can see what's been happening with it. All right, let me drop to the 90. Yeah, 4 hour and down. Well, that is the 30. Let me turn this 11 length back on. Quicker reads. Okay, so we had a little mean reversion. Opened up this 90-minute candle above the RMLR. There's the 30 power mean, about 101.3. 101.3. Let's bring this out a little bit more. I mean, hell, you had mean reversion right there. Pulled back, opened up the new 90-minute candle on the top side. See this 45-minute. Yep, same. Actually, on that 45-minute candle, sent a wick right down to the 1 SD. Pretty much, yeah. I mean, that was like 1 SD, the rodeo, man. The old dollar rodeo. You open up, dump it down to the 1 SD, the downside, then rip it up to the 1 SD, the top side, pull back. Yeah, low time frames, pretty much you're either above the RMLR, or like on the 4 hour, it's up above. But yeah, I don't know, man. I don't know, man. 33 doing here. Yeah, I'm getting a mixtape here. Remember back in the day, you were sitting around making your little mixtapes? Fun shit, right? I remember doing the CDs, burning CDs. Making my road tapes. Dude, my first car had an 8-track player. That's how old Grampy is.
Damn. The whole album thing of cassettes. I don't know what you call those things.
Then I remember when the cassette player came out, right? Threw a cassette player in my Pontiac T1000. That was like Pontiac's version of the Chevette. Had to buy my first car. Bought it off my mom.
Yeah.
I like mowed lawns for a couple of years. Saved up like $2,000 or something. It only had about 30,000 miles on it. It's just a little commuter car.
Fresh.
Yeah. But yeah, I always had to pay my
And you were
way.
the guy that was breaking it, so it's all right. So you know what's wrong.
Dude, it was hilarious, right? Ooh, I got a hot rod. Little 4-cylinder. I remember me and my brother put like pucks in the rear spring shit. We had the thing jacked up in the back.
Oh, yeah.
And so we couldn't afford. I wanted to tint the windows, right? Couldn't afford it or whatever. And that was when like tinting was just coming around too. But it was like, so what do you think a couple dumb kids did? Do you think we spray painted the windows black? Do you think that we would do something that dumb? Yep, we did. We literally spray painted the side windows black.
I'm guessing it was the spray paint from doing the rims.
Right. You're so right. we just moved it from the rims up to. And did we even take the rubber out the rims? No, we just taped around. We just sprayed that, dude. If it would have been the digital age, I'd have pictures of this shit show we created. It was funny. Okay. You think we got underneath? Do you think we drilled some holes in the muffler?
Damn straight.
Damn straight we did. Damn straight. So look at Dixie on the 33. Yeah. Yeah. So on the 33-minute time frame, you're beating your head up against the 30 power mean. What's that?
Yeah, I was going to ask for your thoughts on Dixie, given it's a good day to ask, I suppose.
Yeah. I'm seeing all these time frames are different, man. All these time frames are different. The 33, though, I mean, this is one of my favorite time frames. This baby was up almost to the 3 SD band. And now you're trapped up under 33 power mean. When I'm looking at 101 area. 101 area. If this thing wants to spill out, what's a 15 look like again? I know we started on it. Don't remember though. Yeah, just open that 15-minute candle below. I mean, it's things like this. You run a 15-minute, look at this little clear out too, man. Look at that little clear out. You open up this 15-minute candle, mean reverts, pulls back up, all right? Pulls back up, then you open up. 2 SD move right back to the 3 SD band, the third standard deviation band around the RMLR. Now you just open that 15-minute candle below. So you got the 30 power mean down here about 101.15. 3 SD band. Yeah, that's nothing. Yeah, I see Dixie coming down here a little bit, maybe. Let's see here. About the 9-minute. Oof. Oof. You know what I didn't do? Let me see something real quick. Yep. Here we go. That's what I was looking for. Let's see. So if it gets down, and there's that number right there, right? 101 again. A little bit over 101. Got to break this 30 power mean. I mean, look, even on the 30, man, you went up. You sent that wick right to the 3 SD band. So that's on the 11 and the 30 length. Mean reversion, man. Mean reversion. If it breaks this 30 power mean, it could come down into, that lower level for sure. I mean, look at the future. Look what the future holds. This is where the future reverse mean of log returns is going. 100%. How do we know this? Because we know this. We know why it is. That's even better. Knowing why, right? And for a long time, all right? Quant people, just people that talk about this type of stuff are saying, yeah, there's nothing there. Can't be done. It's not possible. We beg to differ. Price action determines the future mean of log returns. That's all I'm going to say about that. All right. Yeah, SPY's pulling back a little bit. Oh, Dixie lover. Let's see, SPY. That's the thing on this 15-minute. You got to get above that wave trend. Right? You got to get above that reverse wave trend. First 15-minute candle ran right up to it. Now here we are, 99 log MA again. I mean, talk about being in a nice little range. I mean, because let's be honest, there's nothing down here to the bottom side. I mean, it can spill out, but yeah, it's going to be pulling back up to this 99. Slow playing us, boys. Slow playing us. The 15 is down there. Here goes. We had that 33-minute close about 40 seconds ago. Let's see what this thing did here. Down, man. This is what I was talking about too. Here's all this hidden bull. A lot of hidden bull. Bull. Hidden bull. Definitely staying above. As long as this thing stays above reverse wave trend on the 33-minute. Yeah. But now if that thing wants to spill out on the 15, right? Now look at the 33. There's a 99 log MA down there. 452.4. 452.5. Whales. That's a solid 2-point move to the downside. I don't know.
As you can see, it appears that we are going down.
Yeah, you can see it appears we are going down. Jaws is in the house. Let me check this. If you're watching on, hello, yes, what indicator is using here in your chart would be very helpful. Himanshu, 1981 or 1991. Yeah, man, this is the VEPS, Volatility, Entropy, Probability, and Statistics. We do not use technical analysis in its traditional sense, right? We use the same indicators as these big quant firms are using, right? It's all about math. It's all about probabilities. You're just going to have to watch, see how we flow, see what we do. But yeah, you're not going to see if you're anybody that's been using traditional TA, and I'm talking about exponential and simple moving averages, RSI, stochastics, MACD, all that stuff, right? It all lags. They're all lagging indicators. There's no argument about it, right? Price action follows the returns. So when you're using indicators built upon price, you're not getting leading information. When you use the VEPS, when you use volatility, entropy, probability, and statistics, it's all built on the returns and the distribution of returns. Right? So you're using leading information because price action follows said returns. Very powerful way to trade. When everybody's out there, and I've seen arguments go wild about, no, this is what the big firms use to program their algos. And you'll see people going back and forth. No, they use this. I know they use this. Look at this. Guys, you're arguing over senseless stuff, right? You really think these big firms are using lagging indicators to trade the 1 second time frame? No, they're not at all. They're using math. They're using the VEPS. That's what we do here. Yeah, there we go. And Yasha gave you a good answer. Or Stepstones. Or ZenTap. He's the man of many names. He's like that, we need to get a GIF put together. Yasha, the most interesting man in the world. He's our resident Cliff Clavin. That's who he is. I don't care what the subject is. Ask Yasha. He'll give you a great answer. I don't think I've ever stumped him on anything. He stumped me a few times. Like, what the heck are you even talking about? But yeah, man, just keep watching, checking in with us. But like I said, like Yasha said, the link to our Discord's in the description. Look, we're not trying to extract money out of our community. Enough of that's been done from the markets, right? And that's why a lot of people find us. Either they're not happy with the strategy they're using, their returns aren't there, what they're looking for. Whatever it is, it doesn't matter. If you've stumbled across us, I'm telling you, man, stick with us. Stick with us. Come into the Discord, open up a support ticket. We'll give you a free volatility starter pack that's going to help you start to get a feel, start to give you the basis of volatility trading. And then interact in the Discord, ask questions, right? Education's free. We're never going to charge for education. We've compiled a lot of info in this Discord for people to sift through, sort, sift, take what you like. That's what's great about this. There's a lot of info. But and then we have a free trial for our indicator package, a lot of the stuff you're seeing that I'm showing. And then if you decide this is the path you want to take, like I said, then you can support alpha trading and get the indicator package. By the way, there's about 40 indicators, and right now I believe it's about $99 a month. Ridiculous. Costs you more to buy your little lattes every day at Starbucks. It's crazy how inexpensive it is. Why have we done this? There's people out there charging like $300 to $500. We've compiled all this information, and we ask for just a fraction of what these people are charging. And that's what we're trying not to do. You're not going to find any affiliate links on our YouTube channel, nowhere. We're not trying to make money off of our members. That's one thing you'll notice. And we're friendly. Yep, you're welcome, man. You're welcome. All right, let's see here what is going on. So on the 33-minute, though, SPY is definitely running into that reverse fissure at 454.78. Yeah, it's bounced off of it a couple times. Let me blow this up real quick. Yeah, it's right here. You get up here. You close a 33-minute candle above that reverse fissure. You got the top of the power mean band about 455.71. Nothing big. You see this 15 again. Little trend, right? Trendy to the downside here. So we love our entropy. Got to have entropy, man. There's a lot of people out there that claim that they know how to recognize trend in the markets. Guys, if you're not using entropy, stop listening to them. There's a couple other indicators out there that people don't have a clue about because it's somewhat in our realm, but man, they're really hard to use in my opinion. This got simplified. This is so simple. All right. You're either trending or in a random walk. That's what entropy is all about. That's what people need to know. Like, is this a trending move? Entropy has helped me stay in trades. If I get in a trade and it's a trending move, because I'm not saying you can get in moves that are in random walks, but when you have a trending move, these deviation bands are so powerful when to get out of moves. It's crazy. All right. Let's see. So on the 15, literally trying to drop below this 99 log MA. 99. Remember, I showed you the 33.99 is down a little lower, so it's got somewhere to go too. Because this is no man's land on the 15-minute time frame right here. There's nothing down here. And once you do get outside these power mean bands, boom, returns love mean reversion. That's what they do. That's all they do. Returns mean revert. That's what it's all about. That's why you see data sets doing what they do. Most people don't understand. They're just like, oh, what's happening here? Man, this thing's just up, down, boom, boom. It's mean reversion. It is mean reversion. Let's hit this rocket icon. I haven't even done it yet. What are we doing? Boom. Oh, I joined the other 5. That's what I'm talking about. And yeah, and that's something, guys. If you want to hit the rocket icon, you see something you like, hit it. Right? It's nothing. You don't have to. It's just a common courtesy. Right? We're offering a service here, giving people some info. You can ask questions too, anybody. Right? You want a ticker looked at? Pop it in the chat, either in the Discord or on TradingView in the live chat. And I'll take a peek at it for you. Give you a little rundown, show you what we do. All right.
The best way to explain mean reversion to anybody that's new is that's the bounce. That's the price bounce, right? Going to tell you exactly, almost exactly when it's going to bounce, and then it's going to hit potentially a price target. It could go above that price target, but it could go above or reject off a certain price target. But that's what the mean reversion he's talking about, right?
Yes.
So if you're watching price action rather than the returns, right? It's all about context. When you see something just turn on a dime and go right back up after a dump, that's the mean reversion.
Yes, exactly. Here on the 4 hour, man, this thing's setting up some hidden bull too from the cross of the zero mean. Very interesting. And what you're looking at here, if you're still watching, this is a returns oscillator. This is not based on price, right? And so if this is why when we're looking for divergence, we're looking for divergence between returns and price action, not price and price. That's a problem with the RSI and Stokes and stuff. It's all built on price. There is no real divergence there. That's why when people try to trade div using those indicators, it's not there for you, man. It's not there. It gets people wrecked all the time. So when you have returns oscillators, you got z-scores. You got z-scores built on the Laplace distribution. Powerful, man. Powerful. All right. Let's see here. And that's the one thing here on the 4 hour, right? You got variance coming down positively correlated. I mean, that is holding price right at the top side of the power mean band. You see this variance turn up positively correlated, you'll see a move. You will see a move. But we don't trade the 4 hour time frame. The 4 hour time frame is part of my, at least I personally don't. It's part of my workflow. Every new day, daily, 4 hour, 90, 45, 33, 15 minute. That is the time frames I use. That's my workflow I use to get bias in direction for the day. And so why am I trying to get a bias? All about risk. If I'm trading, if I'm scalping low time frames with my bias, risk on. If I'm going to counter trade that bias, which I do, I'm not going to just sit out of a move when I see a counter trade available. I'm taking risk off though, and a lot. I might use 1/10 of my account for risk, because what's more likely to fail on you, trading with your bias or counter trading your bias? Counter trading, obviously. That's why I take the risk off, and I'm going to set a nice tight parameter of where I'm going to get out of the position at. And I'm not talking about putting a stop loss in. Guys, think about what you're doing. The exchange operators know where your stops are. I don't care if we're talking traditional brokerage accounts, crypto exchanges. Don't be so naive to not think they have a trading desk that's watching all this. Why do you think you get wicks all the time? They're knocking people out of positions. I'm telling you, man. We are in this is super scammyville, man. There's a lot of shit going on. That's what led me to trade low time frame volatility, because when volatility gets a hold, they can do whatever they want. I'm going to be in and out of that trade faster than they can even, it just boom. Oh, who's that guy?
It's just a bug on the windshield.
Just a bug on the windshield. So yeah, man, it's great. It really is. A minute. Let's see, keep running up against that 454 like 0.8 area. I believe that was on the 30, right? 33. Where's the 15? Which one is it? Let's see. When I'm hitting the wave trend. Come on, you. Populate. This indicator, though, the ultimate power mean, guys. I mean, here, I'll show you why it takes so long to populate. Wait a minute. Here, I'm going to do it slow. You get it? There's literally 1,400 lines of code on this indicator. If I just open the code up, I start to get dizzy. It's just insane. That's why it takes so long to populate. Here we go. What did I just say about 33 minute? This thing closes above that reverse fissure, which it's trying to do right now. That's the purple. Damn it. Had it there. I just need to expand it. That purple dotted line right there. That's good for the bulls. That's good for the bulls. So the 15 is beating its head against that reverse wave trend, right? Let's see. That's the thing. You're above the reverse fissure on the 33, but can the 15 minute get above this wave trend? Here we go. Come on, you little bugger. She's definitely a trying. There we go. Look, I mean, you're sending these wicks, man. Wick, rejection, wick, rejection, wick, rejection. They don't know that we have a 99 log MA, though. Right? So you're a little range bound right now. Little range bound. This is tough on the 15. You get by the reverse wave trend, you got the 33 power mean to deal with. Right above there, you got reverse fissure. I'll tell you what they don't want. The bears, they're going to fight for their life, because if this 33 power mean crosses up that reverse fissure, look out. Especially you get up above it while it's happening. That's such great support there. That's why they're hammering. They're trying to hammer this thing down. We got a secret weapon down here. All right. This is a powerful freaking, these log return moving averages. It's not that we don't use moving averages, but we use the moving averages based on the log returns, not price action. Like your 21 EMA and 55 EMA and all these crazy exponential and simple moving averages. They are all lagging. But look, it hit this perfectly that time. You show me something in traditional TA that you think is legit, and I'll show you why and what it hit in that area, the real reason, right? Probabilities, right? Or the power mean band. Something else is going on. I mean, lagging information is exactly that. It just lags. It's not for me. Anybody, you guys are free to use whatever you want, but that's why we're trying to. What's that?
Going back to your comment with the bears and trying to keep it below that 99 log MA. Look at the other power bands too, right? They're starting to turn down. So bears need to keep it below there. When those other bands catch up, this is going to get basically trapped down there, right? So that's why they're fighting for their lives. Big time. Because of this power mean band on the 15 minute flips totally bearish and drops below reverse fissure. Oh, just all the resistance is overhead. All the resistance is overhead. Right now, this thing is still bullish, but it's got work to do. This SPY data set needs to get up above like 455.4 area, which it's trying hard, man. They're definitely pushing this thing. Let me see. If I'm in the bear shoes right now, I'm waiting. I'm wanting price action to go sideways, right? Because those other power means will catch up to it, right? And then there's just a whole bunch of resistance later on in the day.
Yeah. Oh yeah. And they're front running, right? They're trying to keep these bulls from even getting close to the bottom side of the 68.3 Laplace distribution on the daily and that tight daily range. Think about it. I mean, the bulls, I think, are slow playing them, man. They're letting these bears just keep knocking this down. Let me see something real quick. Drop down through these time frames. Yeah, there's some little hidden bear building. Bulls, wake up. Wake up, little bulls. Yeah, that's good. Clean here. Actually setting up a little bit of hidden bull right now. See if they can keep it up above like 454.65. A couple more of these candles close. See what's going on in this 1 minute. Yeah, hidden. A lot of hidden bull being built. Got to keep it up here above 454.6 though. Yeah, these bears, they're definitely going to be fighting for their lives. Oh, VIX pulling back up inside 14 now. Goodness. Gold pulled back a little bit. Looks like the minis are making a little bit of a move. Trying. I'm on the 1 minute. Get back on the 15. I would imagine.
Shit.
Hello. What'd you say?
What's up, man?
How was
it?
it?
I ain't doing shit.
Hello. This is ChatGPT.
Hello, ChatGPT. How are you?
If she has something to say.
Oh, I always get excited because you never know. Because man, I'm telling you what. Woo! Whoever marries that bot, you got your hands full.
She's been messaging me for like the last 15 minutes. Let me speak. I'm like, quiet down there, girl.
Let's hear. All
right.
Hi people, it's me, Alpha Trading GET. Today, I'm not going to tell you about all the magnificent trades you could profit from by using the world's best VEPS trading indicators. No. Today, once again, I'm going to focus on the pain and suffering you may enjoy trading with traditional technical analysis, also known as Voodoo TA. So you want to keep trading the same way you've been doing, consistently losing money? Well then, keep reacting to the news. Keep using the RSI channels, the EMA, Bollinger Bands, the SMA, triangles, Fibonacci, support, and resistance, order boxes, W patterns, M patterns, stochastics, wedges, super guppy bands, and other silly traditional TA indicators that fail most of the time. If you're looking to go broke fast by trying to outperform a random market, based on what the Fed says about interest rates, keep trying. Statistically speaking, you'll achieve that goal very fast. If you're among the 0.5% of consistently profitable traders who use traditional technical analysis, good on you. Congrats. You're beating the odds, and you know it. If you're in the other 99.5% of retail traders that keeps losing the money you deposit into your trading account, then you have plenty of company around you. You're not alone, even if your psychology is telling you otherwise. Maybe you should switch jobs and go beg for change, down on the corner, out in the street. If you love the pain, traditional TA is the way to go. And that's okay. Winning traders need losing traders' liquidity on the other side of the trades. Fun fact, the world's biggest bag holders all trade using leading information. While they're considered the smart money, they call retail traders the dumb money. That's why they push traditional indicators to retail traders, although the top firms don't generally touch them. Voodoo TA is old and obsolete. For every trade, there is useful information and junk info. Would you rather have obsolete, useless info or leading info that gives you a quantifiable edge? Statistically, most retail traders choose the former. Are you among them, or do you want to know a better way to trade? We'll gladly help you learn how to trade with the VEPS. If you don't know what the VEPS is, you haven't been listening. Enter the Discord and get on a good path forward. Or keep on doing what you do and enjoy losing trades, if that's your thing. If not, are you ready to do something about it? Or are you just going to accept losing your assets because you like your trash tools and you love to swallow whatever the fake tigers are shoving down your throat, distributing all over you? Alpha trading. A better way to trade. Now come learn to trade the VEPS. You're welcome.
And there you have it.
Yes, we do have. We got the alpha trading chatbot. She is always fired up.
Yeah.
Dude, what a riot.
Some days are saltier than others.
So wrapping carrots, what in the world are you talking about, my friend? You talking about right here? Talking about last night, 6:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time? Because that's it right here. This is 9:30 p.m. Eastern.
You mic, bro.
Did I get my time right? Yeah, there's a 40-pip move and a 1 minute candle that just rapidly dumps straight down. I can't get my indicators to predict it. I've been trying to figure out how to see that move ahead of time if there's a way.
Oh, if there's a will, there's a way. But you're talking about last night, right?
Yeah, last night. I think it was 6:30 p.m. It's going to be the only candle with that aggressive move on the 1 minute. I can see it on the 15 too.
Oh, yeah. 6:30. Where are you? Oh, wait, Tuesday. Let me see here. 100. Yeah, what the hell am I doing here? Hold on. Went too damn far. There we go. There's Tuesday. I mean, it's just on the 1 minute. It was right here when you came down to the center of the daily. I'm not seeing a 1 minute candle as big as you're talking about, though. I don't know what you're talking about.
Are you on the XAUSD? I'm watching on my phone. I can't see the asset that you're on there.
Yeah, it's silver.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know.
1 sec.
I don't know.
I'll find it. I'll
Like-
once I get into the parking lot, probably shouldn't try to zoom through my photos when I drive.
Yeah, there goes silver right to the bottom of the daily range. Was finding support on the center here. But yeah. No.
Tuesday, 1848, XAUUSD. Here, I'll post it in here.
You doing the tap your feet. Let me see. Yeah, I had no clue what the heck that even is, man. What time frame is that?
Oh no, he's talking about the Australian dollar.
Gold.
Aussie dollar versus USD. AUD.
Oh no, that was on.
Yeah.
Or silver he's talking, isn't he?
Oh, that was gold.
I like two, a medium and a large to go.
I was about to say we need to get him a mic.
Okay.
Yeah, you break
and then
AX.
Yeah, it's silver USD is what I thought what he wanted to look at. Oh no, that's silver Aussie dollar.
SI1 exclamation point. Maybe try the silver futures. Maybe that's what he's talking. SI1 exclamation. Or not.
Yeah, I don't know, man. I don't see it. I don't see it.
Good talk.
15.
Good talk.
Yeah, because he's got XAU UAD.
But that's silver, isn't it? But that's silver, I think.
Yeah, silver, not on the US dollar, though. That's silver Aussie dollar?
That's gold on
Or no, that's gold. What the hell am I?
It's a CFD, right?
Yeah, that's gold.
It's a CFD, that's why.
Yeah, that's gold.
Bing, bing,
Your
bing,
microphone
bing,
is
bing.
patchy, bro.
It's like his service
So
or
your signals
something.
are-
Yeah, it's hard, man. We can barely hear you.
Damn it, Jim.
Damn it, Jim.
Yeah, it's my shit signal.
UAD.
He's a trader, not a magician.
Damn it, Jim. It's UAD.
I'm a trader, not a magician. Damn it.
Yeah, I don't know what he's. I mean, yeah, man. I don't know what the hell's going on. I'm just a little boy. Got me all confused now.
Little boy with a big car.
Dude, we had that hailstorm last night. I was like, oh, thank God for garages. I woke up. First thing I was like, oh my God, my car outside. I mean, it was hammering. The hail was just strong and warm. I walked outside 2 a.m. just to look at the hail, and it's freaked, dude. It was like almost 80. Like, what the heck?
Mm.
Lightning, dogs, of course, freaking out. Oh boy, all good, all good. Yeah, SPY's still struggling with that 15-minute wave trend. Going to have to break that. Going to have to get that baby up there. What do you mean? Keep throwing wicks up into that area. Let it populate. Especially setting up hidden bear. I got you. Here's the thing on the 15 though. All right. You got the 7-link Z-score up. You got the 30 down here to 95% confidence interval. The trend is down by the 2 SD band. All right, this move on the 15-minute definitely went in the trend. Started yesterday right at the close, but yeah, continued. See the Z-score pop up here. Then break back inside the 2 SD band and that prediction model flip. You're probably going to see this thing bust up here. But right now, ooh, look at the Fisher. That Fisher's actually heading up. I want to see this 33 power mean cross up the Fisher. If this Fisher turns down and crosses, though, down, this is the battle right here. I mean, it is centered perfectly. Perfectly. But you got the 99 log MA down here. I mean, if you do get below it, you don't stay long. You don't stay long. Let me see here. What the hell, you got VIX dropping now. Now it's down 0.7%.
When it drops into no man's land, it'll drop to no man's land when Powell talks, and then it'll shoot right back up. That's what will happen.
Yeah, the end of the day here is going to be interesting. Interesting. It's a good word. Yeah, there's just... See this 90-minute. Yeah, that 90-minute candle gave that whole move up. Okay. Okay. Just populate real quick. Love it. Yeah, nice. Nice extended 90-minute bear div. You're almost at the 33 power mean. What's that at? Could it hit a wave trend, though? 451. I don't know, man. I don't know.
Yo, there's an untouched daily mean on one of these charts, and I think it was yesterday. SPY QQQ or whatever, MES. It touched on one of them, and then the other two it didn't. So,
Well,
and
that
that's
was
down where you just said now.
that was pretty vaguish. What do you want me to what?
Daily VRE, sorry, daily VRE mean yellow line for normal people.
What are you saying didn't test?
Yesterday's daily VRE mean.
Which asset didn't test it?
It would be SPY, QQQ, or MES. It only touched on one of them, the other two it didn't.
Well, SPY definitely tested it. Triple Q?
Yeah, that's the other two.
Triple Q gapped right from it. No
Yeah, so
problemo.
gap before, right?
Yeah, I mean that's
the new daily printing above.
SPY and Triple Q both tested their daily range yesterday. I mean, you literally gapped pre-market literally right from the top. That's fine. What was the other one you were talking about?
MES.
What, the minis?
Yeah.
Bam.
Well,
Daily.
Funk and I that's why we went in stream. We were just like brainstorming all of the stuff yesterday.
Yeah.
So then it's the other way around. It's just this guy who didn't.
Yeah, they all got tested. Especially the minis. Minis were all over the daily. Bounced right from it. Whee! Whee! No, Daddy, no.
I'm talking like candles. I'm talking that, like, I understand it's in the yellow range and in between the S1 and the mean, but it didn't touch. And 90% of the time they touch.
What are you talking about on the minis? You got candle closes. You got candle closes inside the daily range. I don't know why you don't think it got tested.
Oh, okay. Then no. Well, that's cool. Then that's new to me on how you see these ranges, because I'm very like pixel. Okay, to the yellow line, boom, to the red line, test. You know what I mean? You're like halfway in. Cool. There's more than likely a UMP or something building there, more than likely, and then up. Okay.
Yeah. Warlord uses bush tactics.
It's Bushwick tactics.
Around the field, bro.
Bushwick, man.
Oh no.
From Bushwick, Brooklyn.
All right.
Yeah. A wonderful area of Brooklyn, Bushwick. Or you can join Bushwood, the golf club. You know what that's from?
Isn't that
Yeah, when I start trading SPY like a big boy.
That's Caddyshack, bro.
Yeah.
He's looking at the old lady with the ball cleaner. Oh yeah, Mrs. It's fucking hilarious, dude. Sitting there, looks like he's pissing, but it's the hose. That is a great movie.
Cleaner.
That is a great movie. Chevy Chase playing night golf or whatever. He hits it right into his shack. It's like, can I play through here? No, it's a great movie, man. Fantastic flick. Yeah.
What's it called? I thought we were talking about a golf club. Shabby Shack.
Caddyshack. You never seen Caddyshack?
Oh,
oh my.
I know how to Google it,
oh my goodness.
Dude, how'd your soccer team do last night? Zambia?
Yeah. They got all happy. They beat.
Really?
Our male team doing pretty well. No problem there.
How about the women's team in the World Cup? You guys made the World Cup.
Yeah, maybe because the World Cup wants to do something in Zambia one day. I don't think that if there was a girls team, I don't know, dude. They're good, they're bad, they're good, they're bad. But they're exceptionally good and exceptionally bad.
All I asked is, how did they do? Didn't they play today?
I don't know. I haven't checked for that, to be honest.
You're not up on your women's soccer? What the fuck?
When the male team wins, you it's very easy to know.
You like watching the female team wins.
Yeah. When the female team wins, it takes like 12 hours for it to hit my post.
He just likes watching men run around in little pants.
Well, they wear orange jerseys, and I like bitcorn. So.
Oh yeah.
Orange.
That's why I got my mango orange. Challenger for Bitcoin. That's what I want to do. I need to get a I need to get a Bitcoin freaking badge for the spoiler. That'd be sick, wouldn't it?
That'd be dope. I would swap the. Is it debadged?
No, it's like it's got the Rumblebee badges, which are cool.
You got a little Hornet, but like I don't know if you can like swap the. It's a Dodge, you said, yeah.
Yeah.
I forget who makes those guys.
But I got room on the grill. I can put a couple. I can put a badge on the grill. I could put a couple on the spoiler. I got to get a Scat Pack badge too, because it did. The only badges it came with pretty much were like the RT and the Challenger on the front grill, and then it's got the Rumblebee, but there was nothing on the rear at all. I mean, so it is pretty clean. But yeah, that would be cool.
It should be clean.
Hey, I want to get a Bitcoin badge. Would be sick. Really would. It'd look good on it too.
You don't want RP badge?
No. Get
a bonk badge, dude. There you go, man.
I'd want to get like BTC, a BTC stick figure, like peeing on the dollar. You know how they got those they got like Chevy pissing on Dodges and Dodges peeing on
like the little kid,
Get BTC peeing on Dixie. That'd be great.
The little kid is Calvin from Calvin and Hobbes.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it.
Classic image.
Hold on, I need more coffee. Somebody talk.
More coffee time. It's time to have more coffee. Let's go out to the kitchen. You guys remember that from the movie breaks? All the best.
Schaefer's the one beer to have when you're going to have more than one. There she rolls over. ES is rolling.
Keep on rolling. Be right
Taking
back.
some trades.
Yep.
Emotional damage.
Where do you think my buy's at? The other orange line. 80 to 90, 89 to 82. Not bad.
89. Wow, that's I'm learning this. Let me try to figure out 89. That's a 7-point move, I think.
Yep.
6-point move. Yeah.
Yep. When it rallied.
That's big. That's big.
See, it moved down. That last one, I haven't bought yet. I got to buy it at 82.
Okay.
It got to 82 and a quarter. Not taking profits. Maybe I should get banned from this room. Not taking profits.
Emotional damage.
You didn't take profits.
But
Sorry, wait, and here's the kicker. I have a trailing stop on it. Ooh. Yeah.
Get ready.
one day it will fall to funk. One day it will fall to 0, and you'll have your short. Don't worry.
As you can see, it appears that we are going down.
As it appears.
You got to be ready for the next day because it's going to pump from 0 to 5.
I sent you again. See it? Orange divides.
Oh my god. It's got me laughing. Got me laughing.
Where's the daily VRE?
You
Another
know,
one.
On what?
you know, who no taking profits?
I'm not taking profits. I got a bit out there. I missed it by a tick. Not a dick, a tick.
Slap.
And I got a trailing stop on it.
Oh no!
You are not getting money back. Get out of my way.
Not the trailing stop.
I got a trailing stop.
He's chasing the rhino.
Bro, you can't trade these futures without stops. It's too dangerous, man. I'm telling you. It's not like stocks. It's too dangerous. And I'm only doing 4 contracts, dude. So it ain't like, you know.
That caddies with 2Ds, Warlord.
Yeah. Yeah. You can't. My 4 contracts ain't nothing in the grand scheme of things.
No. Nope, not at
Trust
all.
me.
I'm watching.
They're not even.
There's 100. There's 300. 500.
Yeah, exactly. And it's not.
I'm watching these orders go through.
It's insane, dude. Watching those futures, it's crazy, man. There was just a buyer of 500 contracts at 85.
Wow. Well, there you go. All right, we're going up now.
500 contracts? Come on, you want one more point. One more point.
Give Daddy a fucking fillet.
One more point.
Get dumping.
Serve him up a fillet.
Here, I'll post what I'm watching. You might want to erase this real quick. I'll post it in the voice.
The Russell's telling the market to go take a hike, though, man. The Russell's in the green, baby.
That's with our voodoo math.
Mm-hmm.
Or voodoo cone. That's what we're going to call it, the voodoo cone. There's the PB cone and the voodoo cone.
Oh, my goodness.
It's the voodoo that you do so well.
Oh, my goodness.
I know, look at that.
Falling right today, buddy.
Oh, my goodness.
Somebody's drawing lines on charts.
I do not believe this.
Oh, Jesus. I'll be in the corner when you need me. Dunce cap on.
Bubba, the day that I can shit $200 down the drain,
I got you.
I'll live trade. I'm going to live trade what fund trades.
Right.
Whatever it is, like 25-cent moves or whatever, like $25.
The market make just trade the MES contract. You can do it all day long.
Oh, my God. Hold on here. Let me move this PB going.
Dude, I was looking at it and I was just like, I could have been from $200 in about 5 minutes of trading it. Literally one candle on taking 4 trades, up, down, and then exiting if it's not in profit, if it doesn't go up.
Yeah,
so
that's what I wanted tonight.
Just long, take profit, long, take profit, long, take profit. And I would have racked up in about 6 minutes about $3,500 if I had $200.
Big money,
I was like,
Johnson.
whoa. And it was just a grinding out, just a mathematical line.
I got $3,000 in profits and $3,500 in fees.
But that's none of that's worked in with the fee, right? We both saw that was a couple grand more, but the math works there, and I was quite shocked to see that it was respecting it. To be honest, I was like, oh my word! If I should trade this like it was Doge, I would be disrespecting it like this. And it just does what Doge does.
Doge does what Doge does.
I'll tell you something I learned too. If you take the PB cone and you just put it on a 5-minute chart and you put it on the opening 5 minutes and use that all day, it works pretty good too. Silent. Crickets.
Oh no,
I'm wanting to have a look into that.
So you just take a 5-minute chart, put the cone on the opening candlestick, and go forward in the day, and then reduce that down from 5 minutes to 1 minute with the same opening, with the same PB cone. It really, really pretty good, man.
Yeah,
is that voodoo?
No, not at all. Here's what I do. I'm giving away all my secrets and shit.
Oh shit! See, he's holding back on us, African.
Like
bullshit. I'm leaving.
The start of the day, like yesterday, like is what I'll do. I'll wait for the first the first directional move, on the day on the VRE, and you throw a PB cone just like you just said. Let me see here. Yeah. Where is it at? I had one on here. The hell did I do? Get rid of it? Hold on here real quick. Whoops. Hold on here real quick. There you are. Where's my PB2, man? Why is that not on this chart? Might have taken it off. It happens. Hello? Hello? No?
Who are you talking to?
Oh, whoever's listening.
Oh, okay.
No, I'm trying to.
Bruh.
Why will this thing not populate? What is going on?
2 hours later.
Set the projection start. Drag to move. Yeah, I got that.
And then I draw a line on the opening high and low of the opening candle too. 5 minutes.
Where in the
Oh
hell?
my God, he's drawing lines.
Where in the hell is my damn indicator at? Tripping? There it is. I'm like, what are you doing? Give me some love here. Give me some love. Jesus. Okay, this thing is not set up quite the way I want it. That's okay. Where are you, little drag and drop? Oh boy. There it is.
Blinding us with science.
Blinding you with science.
They're blinding us with science.
That's a great movie. Man. Kelly LeBlanc, right?
Oh, Weird Science?
Bruh.
Yeah, bruh.
Bruh. This is definitely set on normal. Let's get this flipped on the... It is on the plus, but I got the wrong bands up, baby. Got the wrong bands one time. Don't want a number 2. Yeah, we can do it 0.99. No, this is on there. It's all right. 6, 5, and 7. 5.
Look at this. It even gets uglier.
And 7. Interesting. Why is that?
Look at that ugly chart. Oh my God.
What are we doing here? Holy smokes.
It just keeps
We're just producing the Laplace distribution generative chart art.
Wait, let me add this to it to really blow the minds. Hold on a minute.
Show and tell.
Just when you didn't think it could get any uglier. Ready? Just when you didn't think it could get any uglier.
Oh, buddy.
Oh boy.
Oh, buddy. We got boxes. Boxes.
Boxes. No, there's zones. There's a difference.
Nice.
Is there a difference?
So we got 3 colorful lines that fall into the bottom side of the pink. We got the Daily Guardian that falls in the yellow.
This shit, dude. Some cone guy from Africa. Some zone guy from New York. This is like a worldwide chart, man.
Oh.
That shit or what? Should I erase it? Maybe I should erase it. I don't want to set a bad example. We're here for the love, man. For the love of the game.
For the love of the game.
For the love of the game.
It happens. It freaking happens. Yeah, you can like throw the projection boss. That's what I've done here, but yeah, I didn't save it, so it's got some wild colors. Wild colors.
First 5 minutes seems to work pretty good, brother. That's all I'm trying to say.
So that's all I'm trying to say. No, it's good. I see your chart. Oh, look at that thing.
First 5 minutes seems to work pretty good, man. That's all.
Oh yeah.
Saying much more.
Twitter's going to be a payment platform. Watch.
Oh, of course. It's already happening.
Yep.
Already starting to happen, dude.
X Holdings Corp. Yeah, that doesn't sound evil. That guy's got everybody fooled. Puts on that smile. Look out, man. Look out. He's part of the club. Don't ever forget. Everybody's like, oh, Elon's battling the elites. Oh, yeah? Is that what's happening? Elon got led into the club. If you want to stay in the club, you got to play by the club rules.
pretty much.
Yeah.
Yeah, ones that don't play by club rules. You see who they are. Media turns on them. Everybody turns on them. You will not be part of the club anymore.
Yeah, that's what happened to Trump.
Yeah, I'm amazed. That guy's still breathing, man. It's insane.
Yeah. Well, come on, the whole Hunter Biden thing is a fucking catastrophe too.
Dude, what? I mean, we are definitely in the twilight zone. This government's trashed right now. The fact that a president
whistleblowers in the IRS claiming their own bosses, keeping them down. I mean, come on.
Oh, and it's just, dude, he has been selling it. I mean, oh my God.
Oh, I know.
It's pretty bad. This guy should be impeached immediately.
Of course, 100%. 100%.
I'll tell you what, man, this expected move range didn't tighten up too much. It went down to what, 2.3 plus or minus? Was it 3.4? I guess it dropped over a point, but yeah, still downside expected moves 452. Top side's like 456 3/4.
We were looking at, what were we looking at? The 452s? I'm trying to think what we were looking at earlier.
Yeah, I mean, they're 50 cents.
452 puts we were looking at.
Well, the weekly range right here. 452.76.
36 cents, they're now 50. Hang on, maybe it was the Qs I was looking at. Oh.
You definitely had issues.
Yeah, weren't we looking at Qs earlier, dude?
What's that?
Not you, I mean African. Weren't we looking at Qs?
Yeah.
70.
I'm looking forward to go back to the yellow.
372s or 373s, I think. Yeah, man, they were a quarter and they're 80 cents now. No,
yeah, so the day that it didn't touch, this is it coming in to hit the daily. Boom. Maybe I'd start to look for a long. I'd obviously know if it fails here, I'd be long.
Man, look at that. I'm out. It just got filled, dude.
Nice. Triple Q is getting ready to hit the 1 SD, the downside, too.
Yep. And that's why they're exploding. The Triple Q 373s are exploding right now.
Let's see. He says the Triple
Beautiful.
Q.
I got filled at 82, African.
So you exited that? You got in the trade at 382?
82.
Oh, sorry, 375. 89.
No, that's going back to the MESs, but no, that was the trade I actually did. I'm just saying, but I mean, everything else is falling suit. Look at these things exploding now. Triple Qs must be falling out bad.
Yeah, well, it's down. It's real close to the 1 SD at 375.65.
Yeah, look at that. Yeah, they just fell out of bed. I mean, look how tight the range. Look at how tight the daily range is on this, man. On the Triple Qs.
Oh yeah, same as SPY.
Yeah,
SPY and Triple Qs. Here's the deal, though. Triple Qs daily is below the weekly. Below the weekly.
Yeah, untested.
Well, what does that? So what does that mean?
No, everything's tested on Triple Qs. Gap down right through the tie daily range. And you're up in the weekly yesterday.
Something must have just came out because that just fell out of bed, dude. They just dropped 2 points or 1.5 the Triple Qs.
Yeah, you have to manage risk at the red line.
It's right at the 1 SD right now.
Yeah.
I mean, 1 SD for SPY is down there at about 453.5. But you got the 4-hour 1 SD is right here at the first support level on the daily. First support level on the daily. Got you. I got you. Let me see here. Shall we? Ding. Dong. What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? Gold's holding strong here. Little right at about 1970. Let me look at Dixie real quick. Where's Dixie at? Hanging around down the bottom side of the 68.3. I mean, just sending wicks all over the place around it. Okay, just got a new 4-hour candle. Just got a new 4-hour candle. And the new 4-hour 68.3 Laplace is literally bordering the daily bottom side of the 68.3. One SD now to the downside. Beautiful, beautiful. What you gonna do, Dixie? You little Sally. Oh, it's 11 already? Jesus. That time went by quick. Yeah. Excuse me? Huh? What? What are you talking about? Yeah, the old Russell. Russell finally pulling back a little bit. But hell, it was up like IWM was up, what, 0.5? Everything else was down. Definitely, like, remember yesterday, NASDAQ was running on SPY. Same thing to the downside now. NASDAQ's down, what, almost 1%. SPY's only down, what, 0.3? At least the minis. At least the minis. We're a little closer here. Yeah, NASDAQ, what, down 0.5. SPY's down 0.3. Tell you, man. I don't know. I think they're setting people up down here. If I'm short, I'm taking profits. I'll tell you that right now. If I'm short, I'm taking profits. If you're on triple Qs and you didn't take profit at the 1 SD, I don't know what to tell you. I mean, can it go lower? Of course it can. But that's what these distribution levels are all about. Great for profit taking. Great for profit taking. So you're at the second support level on the daily. Just send a wick right to it. See if this 15-minute candle closes inside the 1 SD. It was 11. Beautiful. Beautiful.
Let's go party, Barbie.
What? Are you singing the Barbie song?
Yeah.
Okay.
She's coming there, and you got to hold here on the QQQs for continuation. 3732.
3732. 54. SPY's trying to stay up here above 354. I mean, that's a first support level. Go over here. Yeah, SPY. What's that, the 1 minute? You're outside this power mean band. This thing's going to fly up here anytime. 454.5. Go up to the 15 minute. Yeah, I mean, it was on the struggle bus with that reverse wave trend. Indeed. On the struggle bus. That's okay, though. That's what buses are for. Struggling. Ooh. Look at the Z-score.
Let's go DLP.
Look at the Z-score.
Let's go DLP. Next.
Look at the freaking returns oscillator. See what the returns are doing. Look, we're starting to turn up right here. Low length Z-score. Now here's the trend to the downside. Last time we looked at it, it was just pushing through the second. Now it's down, turning up on the 3 SD. Now it's down, turning on the 3 SD. This is interesting. What are those at the top side? $15 make you holler. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey,
options just hit $1. Jesus.
Oh, I hear cash registers. Somebody's running the cash register again. Who's this silly little man? Silly little man. 58. Got that 457's at 40 cents. Yeah, I'm dicking around on the call side a little bit, taking little peeks.
Yeah,
If I'm long, expected to close to doji back up to 37572. So I'm going to try hit that, and then if I was long from down here, I might take profit considering that, there's 46 seconds left of this 5-minute candle. It's a nice reversal point, but there could also be music to process afterwards. RO on the 5-minute is looking like it's getting ready. Give it another 30 seconds to see if APPs are going to turn around and switch off blue flashes. Then you know you're going to continue above JMA7. This is the doji. This is the price. It was just spoken about. So I'd have taken my initial profits. If I have a sponge, I'll wait for it to maybe pull down a little bit on the next print. There might be a wick after this big long. To me,
he likes them 373 puts. What are they? 78 cents. That's what you did. You just got into 373 puts?
No, that's what we were just talking about, like 30 seconds ago. I told you I missed this. Look at that move it just made in the last 20 minutes. Look at that. That's the chart. That's sick.
That's a rhino horn.
Fuck yeah, it is.
Right up somebody's butt. Somebody just got a rhino horn right up the butt.
3x move in 30 minutes, man.
Oh, funny.
See, the problem with that, you know, look, man, today it's FOMC day, you know, so yes, they can take this down. I mean, either somebody knows something or you're going to see a spike all the way back up to the upside, too.
It's manic
You know what
day.
I mean?
All the traders are being very irrational.
Yep.
They're just flipping coins. I'm going to get over there. I'm going to get over here. All right, let's battle.
Pretty much.
Pull
Pretty
swords.
much, man.
20 paces and we blow each other's brains out. Let's go. Crazy. Yeah, good stuff. Good freaking stuff. See what I feel like doing. Let me see here. Yeah, that top side pulled down 456.5 now. See this thing bouncing a little bit out of here. Let me see. Boom, boom, boom. 15 minutes. Yeah, we're about to wrap this up. Damn, man. Got a lot of bull divs setting up on these freaking Z on the 11 link or a 7 link Z score. And the return oscillator, right? But look, we got a little negative correlation here. Look at the candle. Definitely printing bull div, but not having it. Especially you're down here trending to the downside. Need this trend over. Popping back up inside the 2SD band, going back into a random walk. Then we can see some stuff. But yeah, low length volatility contracted, positively correlated. Same with the 981. 2400's starting a little bit of a contraction negative though. So yeah, what are we getting? Nice freaking perfect little doji. Everybody grab an end. Play tug of war. Tug of war on that poor candle. What is this? 450, almost back up 455 is the wave trend. I mean, at some point this thing is going to freaking come roaring back up here, I bet. Got to come out of trend to the downside, and then it'll randomly drift its ass right back up. All right, fun times.
Yeah, daily looking tasty down here.
Yeah.
At least halfway to it.
It's Jerome Powell day. Spotlight's on you, fucko. Spotlight's on you. He is the puppet. Who's pulling the strings? Who's pulling the strings? They are. The 95 individuals that own X Corp Holdings. That's who's running the world. That's why they won't divulge who they are. I guarantee you. You know it's going to get leaked. Watch. It's going to be a riot. I guarantee you. We got Soroses and all these guys. Guarantee it, man. Guarantee it. You want to bet? It's all the evil villains. I guarantee you. There's a reason why Musk doesn't want that released. Because, right, Musk is the good guy. Right? He's the one battling the other elites. Dude, it's all theater, man. That guy is
WWE.
He is government subsidized so far up the ding ding.
Yes, he is.
I mean, it's like, yeah, he's battling against them. No. He is divulging information exactly how he's supposed to. Creating the illusion that there actually is separation up there. There's not. But they're going to, just like politics. There's a uniparty, man. People need to wake up. There's not two parties. There's a uniparty. If you're not in the uniparty, you're shunned. Let's see.
Do I have to wear red pants and a blue t-shirt, or is it the other way around?
They all wear unitards. They dance around the Capitol floor like a bunch of donkeys. If you guys have ever seen go watch the opening ceremony for CERN. Come back and report. Watch that, and then just, if you've never seen it, Google it. Opening ceremony for CERN, right? The Hadron Collider in Switzerland. You will come out of that video going, what the F is going on? Guarantee it. It is the most satanic looking ritual you will ever see. It's insane. It's like, this is a Hydron Collider. This is an opening ceremony. Why are these guys running around with devil horns on their head and shit? I mean, it's crazy, man. Right now, everybody's on YouTube Googling CERN opening ceremony. Report back after you watch that, after it blows your mind. Because it is freak show. Freak show. They're probably coming after me right now. The black choppers, they're hovering. Shit. Shouldn't have said anything. It's kind of like the Bohemian Grove ceremony they do there. I mean, dude, these people are evil. These people are evil. There's no doubt about it. My dad was a Mason, right? He was a 32 degree for a long time. So he was gonna be 33 degree Mason, right? So he went through. My mom said he came home that night and like he was like white like a ghost. He took off his Masonic ring and never went back. Never went back to the hall. So that should say a lot. See, all these people that are in the Masonic Lodge and stuff, they don't know what's going on up top. They have no clue until you make that move. Yeah, my dad she said he turned white, took his Masonic ring off, put it in the drawer, never put it back on, never went to another meeting, dropped out. So, whatever he saw, and it scared him.
All of them, it just depends on the lodge. Not that I know, but it's not for all of them, it just depends on the lodge.
Yeah.
Like, yeah, there's Scottish, Irish, I don't know, but yeah, maybe they do different things.
Sure.
Depending on what you need to do. But I don't know too much about that stuff.
My grandfather was a grandmaster and my uncle.
Yeah. I mean, my grandfather totally was.
Pretty high up in it, man.
He wore his ring till the end of the day, though. So he must have liked it.
I've been to the one that George Washington used to in Alexandria, Virginia. That's the one George Washington was at.
Damn, Jeff's right. That is a cup and handle. Look at the measured move. It's perfect.
Wow.
I'm just kidding. Or am I? Yeah, patterns. They're funny. They are funny. So we're bouncing off this 4-hour 1SD. Yeah, good stuff. All right, let's see. Nice. We had a good question in there earlier in the chat. That's what we like. Guys, if you're watching on TradingView, you can ask us any questions you want. Trust me. We're not going to laugh. We're not going to make fun of you. We're going to give you an answer. There's no stupid questions when it comes to the VEPS. That is the truth. Volatility trading is not easy. You know, we highly recommend. Check out the Discord. The link's in the description. Come in. Slow play this thing, man. You don't have to continue. Take a month off and study the VEPS. Right? Take a month off. You don't always have to be in the trade. Your portfolio will be there when you come back. It's not going anywhere. Give it a break because it's probably been bleeding. let it rest. Start building it back up with the VEPS. Guys, want to thank for all the support in the... I can't get these hiccups, man. Coffee gives me hiccups every day. I don't understand why. But anyway, we thank you for all the support in the Discord. You guys are great. Got new people coming in every day. Hey, all you scammers out there, keep trying to join the Discord under founders' names and stuff. We're on your ass. We know. We know where you're at. We got sneaky surveillance. We'll hammer you immediately. So don't try the shenanigans in our server. But yeah, TradingView. We want to thank you for all your support, right? Putting us up on the featured page or bringing some new information to these traders, which they need. Now, we're not going to sit here and dog out traditional TA. People can use whatever they want to use. We're just telling you, there's a better way. There is definitely a better way. Trade with the high-frequency trading firm algorithms like we do. It's a breath of fresh air, trust me. When you get leading levels, indicators built on the returns, right? Real divergence you can count on. You can literally count on. So all that being said, we'll be back tomorrow morning, Thursday, July 27th. It's going to be a good day. Going to be a great day. We'll see you 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, wherever you live out on this big, beautiful blue marble. Have a wonderful rest of your morning, afternoon, or evening. We'll see you.